Here's how to loop a video in CapCut PC. First of all, you need to add your clip. So import the video that you want to loop into the CapCut PC and select the segment. Adjust and select the specific portion of the video that you want to loop. Now duplicate the segment. For that, select Alt key on your keyboard and drag and hold the clip to the other side. Overlay this duplicate into the original clip by about 1 or 2 seconds. Now blend the overlay. Place the playback cursor at the start of the overlay clip. Go to the blend option and set the opacity to 0 and click on the add keyframe button. Now drag the cursor to the point where the bottom video ends and set the opacity to 100. A keyframe should be automatically added. Now blend the overlay, which is the second transition. Go to the start of the original clip, the one which is underneath. Now press Ctrl+B or click on the split icon over here. Then after click, hold and drag the split portion to overlay it on top of the other clip, ensuring that it ends at the same time as the clip it's overlaying. Place the playback cursor at the start of this newly overlaid section and set the opacity to 0 and add a keyframe. Now create a compound clip. Select both the original and duplicated clips, ensuring the overlay and the keyframes are included in the section. Then right-click on it and select Create Compound Clip and duplicate the compound clip. Hold the Alt key on your keyboard and drag it to the other side as many times as needed to create the desired loop length. Now go ahead and play the video to see the desired result. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.